Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sukha Garg. We'll discuss about when you take your supplements without prescription, without getting tested, how can excess of the supplements, which include your multivitamins, your vitamin D, all kind of multivitamins, apart from that your minerals, your zinc, selenium, cobalt, all those minerals which are there as a combination of multiple multivitamins available over the counter. All these can be dangerous when you do not take it after prescription, when you do not take it after getting tested. These can be more than needed in your body when you take them regularly, and the excess will also will cause certain symptoms. The more common symptoms of nausea, vomiting, stomach pains, stomach cramps, or otherwise cramps, neurological disorders can be caused. uh, there could be a heart tachycardia, that is increased heart rate. All these can be also the reason because of excess of the vitamins, excess of the minerals, excess of the supplements you are taking. So that is the reason I always say do take it only under prescription, do take it after getting tested. If there are certain vitamins which are fat soluble, vitamin A, vitamin D, these are fat soluble, vitamin E. So if you're taking them in excess amount or for a longer duration, they are going to get deposited in the body, and it is not easy to eliminate them then easily. These will cause symptoms. When water soluble vitamins like B and C, they has to be taken daily, but excess amount of those can also cause problem, but the problems would be limited because it's easier to eliminate them. So do not take vitamin D supplements like anything. People come to me often in the OPD saying we are taking shots regularly or like randomly without knowing what were the initial values. Same goes for vitamin B also. People do not really take care of the fact that they need it or not. So calcium is again a very abused kind of supplement. Whenever you feel like you start taking it, whenever you feel like you omit it, it has to be particular time, it has to be in a dose particularly needed, and it has to be modified as per your dietary things also. So people who are taking good diet, good nutritious diet, they don't need much supplement. It all depends upon your disease things, upon your age, upon your dietary preferences, how better good is your gut, because if your gut is good, your absorption of the nutrients naturally is good. If your gut is not good, even the supplements won't work that efficiently. So it has to be taken in a holistic approach. Please do not go in for your over the counter multiple things, just popping it randomly.